All right, y'all, walking bets for the rest of the games on Sunday. I'm going to do these quick with no analysis because I have too many plays. We like the Bills money line. We like the Seahawks money line. I like Trey Tucker over 3.5 receptions today. I've got a little bit of a touchdown parlay. Marvis Harrison Jr. We're going to go with Derrick Henry. Jaden Daniels, anytime touchdowns, you can parlay those or put them separately. I kind of like Kenneth Walker for an anytime touchdown as well. And then last but not least, give me Ravens first half on the money line. Also kind of like Kenneth Walker today for an anytime touchdown. Don't ask me what that's about. And last but not least, give me Jalen Waddle over 3.5 receptions today. Let's get it. Happy NFL Sunday.